Pwede mo feel motivated ka, inspired. The Word of God is not motivational or inspirational, it is transformational. If you're not transformed, then you are not yet a child of God. That's the truth. Kailangan nating harapin yan. Without transformation in someone's life, everything you do doesn't glorify God. It's only left or right, mamimili ka lang, kaliwa o kanan. You cannot go both ways. Na minsan nasa kanan ka, minsan nasa kaliwa. You cannot stay in the middle. Na minsan, dito lang ako, I want to stay safe. No, you have to choose. Saan ka? Kasi sinabi rin sa James, that being a friend of this world makes you an enemy of God. And the Word of God, it's gonna hurt us. And this is not sugarcoating. You have to really understand how to be a follower of God. You have to understand how to make disciples for God. Kasi yun yung mission natin as Christians. So that when you go out, iba ka. Halata sa buhay mo that you are different.